Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 1st, 2024, and we've got some important updates for you. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has issued a recall for over 1.8 million vehicles due to a safety issue where hoods can unexpectedly open while driving. This recall affects several models, including the Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y, produced between 2020 and 2024. The issue was first reported in March 2024, primarily by customers in China who experienced unintended hood openings. Investigations revealed that the problem stemmed from deformation of the hood latch switch, which could prevent drivers from being alerted to an open hood. Although similar cases were found in North America and Europe, they were less frequent than in China. Tesla conducted engineering studies and decided to issue the recall in mid-July after notifying the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. The company has recorded a few warranty claims related to this issue, but has not reported any crashes or injuries. To address the problem, Tesla plans to implement an over-the-air software update that will notify drivers if the hood is open, prompting them to stop and secure it. This recall is slightly smaller than a previous one in December 2023, which involved over 2 million vehicles. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Stay safe and see you next time.